What up, it's Kickapoo, back with another video. Welcome all my new subscribers. I appreciate you so much. Okay, I'm trying to think what I want to start with. I'm going to start with my hip hop queen. I love these cards. I haven't used them in a while. It'll kind of like set the tone, and I just lost my page. It'll set the tone for the reading. Okay, I got, I'm trying to find her. I got Janelle Monáe. And I believe she's actually from KC, right? I'm trying to find her in the book. Here we go. Okay. So I got Janelle Monáe, Fluidity. Okay. Janelle Monáe from KC. I think Missouri. Okay, so this is experimentation, flow, freedom, and exploration. Bam. Okay. It says the first words we heard from Janelle Monáe were "I am an alien from outer space." This was on her 2007 debut song, Violet Star's Happy Hunting. And it was immediately clear Janelle Monáe was here to defy societal standards. Yes, dancing in a tuxedo, gender bending, sexuality. She was also, acting. Hidden Figures, a couple movies. It says she is indeed an electric lady. How does she do it? By keeping her current fluid and letting her abstract ideas flow through every project she touches. She walks a tightrope for no one. Okay? It says you may be diametrically opposed to the phrase "go with the flow," but the Janelle Monáe card advises you to do just that. The moments you're unsure, where life will take you are precisely the ones that may hold beautiful experience. Okay, it says don't adhere strictly to standards that haven't served you. Loosen up your grip a bit. Hop off the tightrope. The hell with it. Yeah. Fuck it. I can definitely dig it. Okay? When you stop caring what people think, your own thoughts can prevail, and those bright ideas could be the hidden figures you've needed the whole time. Bam. Okay? That's right on point. Okay? Because I can definitely relate. You know, when I started doing this, if I cared what people thought about this, I would have failed. Okay? I learned how much courage it takes to actually just be yourself. Everybody is like doing the same, they're looking the same. It's crazy. So I can relate. When you feel like you're the alien, especially when you become woke to what the fuck is happening. You know, the gang stalking in my community and everything happening, it all like pushed me to this spiritual awakening, dark night of the soul. Okay. And then after that it was like, oh my God, my life is a fucking video game. That's how I can describe it. If you ever saw that movie, The Free Guy, where it was like a video game that he was living, like that's my life. They even have a show called Woke on Hulu. It's like, yeah, okay. But anyway, I can relate to that. Fuck what everybody thinks. You know, just be yourself. Take the leap of faith. Just do it. You know, there's too many people that's just, they're just, followers. It's not always easy to be a leader, okay? Oh shit, we got will and inheritance. Okay? Of a high viber, also manifesting. Another thing, okay, so when it comes to manifesting, I just had to kind of correct someone. This was actually somebody who is, I would say, religious. They were talking about manifesting, and they were saying manifesting is hard. It could take you 10 years, 20 years. No, 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 no. Like, listen, manifesting is going to be hard for you because you're saying that it's hard. That's the whole point. If you say it's hard, it's going to be hard. So, no, it's not hard. And then putting a time on it, like, it's going to take you 20 years because you just said it is. You feel me? High vibing. Also, look, underdog, and it's at the bottom. Yeah, underdog, underestimated. We got letter E. Ooh, thief, robbery, fucking with the ops. Letter E. Damn, somebody a thief. Oh shit, where'd it go? Okay, that flew. Okay, we got somebody plus size. Could it be letter A? This could be a male or female. My intuition is telling me that it's letter A. Plus size. Somebody wants revenge or they wanted to get their lick back. So somebody's about to go through a permanent ending. It's a wrap. Damn. Also got letter N at the bottom here. Hold on. Okay. So also got letter N. South side. And we got jail, prison. Ooh, something about DNA. DNA. Ex-lover. Ex-friends. Damn. Third eye popping. Okay, so here we go with the cook or the chef. There's something here going on with somebody wanting revenge. And we got letter A, N, E. This is somebody plus size. Yeah. Ex-lovers and ex-friends. Maybe all these people want some type of revenge or want to get their lick back for some reason. Could even be because they're all being exposed. Thirsty, needing attention. These cars just popped out. You're a star. Yep. Something overseas, out of the country. Look, gang stalker. These are gang stalkers. Yeah, somebody took a trip or multiple trips out of the country. Look, it says bad health, ill and sick. Yeah, these people are in bad health. Shoot. In more ways than one. Yeah, SUV. Ooh. Wearing a mask. Yeah, mask off, motherfuckers. A woman. A femme. Boss supervisor. Woman with short hair. South side. We got letter B. What about this woman? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Fraud and scam. Okay, so somebody's doing something fraudulent. A supervisor, a woman with short hair, scamming, SUV, part of a coven, club, society. Yeah, they work at a desk. Hair, nails. Social media posts, DMs. Hair, nails, beauty tech, spa. It's a hard pill for them to swallow. Letter I. Doppelganger. Clone, copycat. They're a bunch of copycat clones, followers, zombies. We got I, B, N, A, U, E. Okay. All right, so I'm going to get to this. Let me do this first. Okay. Okay, we got childhood friend. A childhood friend. Someone that you knew for a long time. Since childhood, since you were young. Geeked up. D4L. So this person is geeked up. They rolling. They can feel the end coming. Something with a shooting. Big ego, self-centered, selfish, very immature. Okay. A low vibing toxic energy that will only hold you back. And sometimes it's hard to let certain people go if you've known them forever. But holding on to people this low vibrational, it can affect what the fuck you have going on. It's not worth it. Because this is somebody who you're always going to try to help them. They're always needing your help. But where the fuck are they at when you need help? It's one-sided. I don't even think whoever this is stepping up to the plate where their own family is concerned. They're very selfish. Yeah, they have not changed at all. And it's kind of like, when you're trying to elevate and people around you aren't, you're either going to stay stuck with them or you're going to detach because not everybody can come with you. It says what they're planning now will backfire big time. We got Pontiac, put it where it fits. Somebody could have been fighting. Baby mama, baby daddy, toxic energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Neck tattoo. Somebody fucked around and found out. They've been neglecting their health and other people's health. Everyone knows they're lying. They're basic, shallow, surface level, generic. And we got Deuces by Chris Brown. Pay attention to the names. Yep, somebody wanted to baby trap a lover or partner, but they're a jump off. Yes, subscribed. Okay, I don't know if this is the same, but it'll flow from one to the next. Oh, or this might be the same energy. We got flight. Somebody could have got on a flight recently. Yeah, the jig is up. Okay, public housing. Yeah, going through domestics, fighting, arguments. Everything they said about somebody else is what the hell they do. Yeah, and they need to take responsibility. Yeah, because they was out here being reckless. And that's the same type of energy that they attracted. Somebody reckless as them. And they're unable to just tell the truth about it. Time to collect. Watching the channel, watching social media. Somebody is in fear factor. Power of prayer. Yep. Also the power of treating yourself, loving yourself, and knowing what you deserve. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Also, the fucking Truman Show, where they're watching. They're invading your privacy. And when everybody is drinking the Kool-Aid except for you. But then he figures it out at the end, right? And he takes a bow. And he walks out the door. Okay? Jim Carrey on these bitches. Yeah. Okay? Exposed. Yeah. It's the fucking Truman Show. And I'm Jim Carrey. Okay? Welcome to the show. Exposed. Okay? We got fake ass friends. Hating didn't work, so they lied. Yeah, a bunch of liars that all hang out together. And then they assume that your homie ain't lying to you. Your wifey ain't lying to you. You lying to her. And guess what? She lying to you. Yeah. And guess what? When you get up in the morning and look in the mirror, you're lying to yourself, bitch. Okay? Look, cannot trust this person. Confirmation. I heard that. Okay? Red truck. Somebody cannot be trusted. We got Indiana. Comes out a lot. And could be state. Some of these could be streets. Somebody's having a meltdown. We got letter H. Somebody's having a meltdown. Stank ass energy. And then, look, sex magic backfiring on that ass. Okay, and that could be a couple of things. Could be some rituals. Could be also group sex. Also, I consider sex magic to be also any type of weird shit that they do with weird intent. Somebody could have sex demon attachments. It's just low vibe and dark energy. Overindulgent, reckless sex, knowing you have a disease and spreading it to people. Angry, dark ass coochie. It's just, oh God. Like, you go up in that, you might fall in and not ever be seen again. It's like the black hole. Like, what the fuck? Yeah. Shit. And all. It ain't safe. No, hell no. It ain't safe. They're not being honest about the situation. Neither one of y'all is being honest about the situation. Y'all fighting and shit. Neither one of y'all is being real. Because you attracted somebody just like you. Maybe worse. Okay? Somebody has a baby on the way or recently had one. Somebody's in their feelings. Ready to tell the truth. They're feeling bad. Maybe. Somebody needs to quit ignoring all the red flags. They're sending evil eye and that shit's being returned right back. It's like reflecting back to your own ass. Okay? We got Tennessee. Not from your city. Somebody could be from Tennessee. We have community. Someone is part of a community of people with this STD. So yeah, and then when you go to this weird party, then oh God, no, no, jeez, it's bad, y'all. It's bad. Yeah, weird parties with their stinking asses. Yeah, look at the sun just shining. Okay, wow, that sun was really shining. Yeah, shining on me. Plots and schemes. It's a setup. Don't do it. Yep. Okay. And we got plots and schemes in somebody's beer or somebody's drink. Yeah. Somebody got some shit dropped in their beer or they drink. Plotting and scheming. That's what happened, girl. Yeah, your coworker, your boss maybe. Yeah. It's time to set healthy boundaries with people. They on some weird shit. Okay. We got God complex. Park. By the park. These people have a God complex, yeah, in the central by the park. So we got Central Park Church. Also letter H. Yeah. This is another wifey. Yeah. Central Park Church. Yeah, look, fucking with people's mail. Lawyer. Yep. James. Lawyer named James. You fucking with people's mail. You not trying to really do your fucking job. This involves an inmate. And this is speaking up. It does matter. Because guess what? It's a different story if it was you or your brother or, one of these people and their son or, their dad or their uncle. It'd be different if it was them. Yep. Speaking up does matter. Yep. This is some how to get away with murder bullshit going on in this motherfucking town. Okay? But it's a wrap. Because they didn't get away with it. Like they thought. Okay? Yeah, a lot of people got to be involved, There's a bunch of pawns in the game. This show will tell you, well, you can watch this and see it all. You got the investigators, the lawyers, the cops, everybody that's in cahoots with the bullshit. And then you got a handful of people that are actually legit who stand for something. Okay? And this has to do with also some medical shit. Something ain't right here with this medical shit. Some 818 on the clock. Yeah, something's shady here in this case with this medical doctor's office stuff. Yep. And letter G, Jeff and Heather. I'm saying it again. Bitches. Yeah. Ha! Drink some coffee on that. Uh-huh. Don't worry. Justice is coming, boo. All right? Yeah, justice is coming and they know it's coming. Okay? Yeah. In the woods. This could be moving on. Maybe it's not. I don't know. We got in the woods, Mississippi. This came out before. And then we got something about organs. Okay? Mississippi. Blonde hair. Somebody's naked and afraid. In a house. Could even be in the basement or somewhere. Some back room, side room, cellar, basement. It's not going to be right up front. Follow the yellow brick road or just a road that looks like this. A long, curvy road. In the cut. This will be the road to victory. There's sex trafficking, or we saw organs, they're trafficking. Or both. Look, cult shit. Or even being raised in a cult, okay? And we have supremacy. Supremacy is the quality or state of being supreme. It's a position of unquestioned authority, dominance, and influence. So this cult shit, this is like brainwashing. This is someone having control. Supremacy doesn't have to be a negative thing, but in this case, it is. This is somebody that wants authority. They want control. They've had a major influence on whoever they have around them. Okay? Confirmation for Mississippi. Okay? And there's somebody here that knows they're dealing with some psychos. They know it. Somebody is aware that they're dealing with psychos. Okay, we got apartment and iPhone. This is moving on. Somebody in an apartment with an iPhone. They thought they could juggle a divine feminine. Look, somebody could have got put out. You might have told they ass to call Tyrone. They really feel entitled. You're a true survivor. But you flipped that pain to gain. Yep, turning pain to power. Definitely watch your cup and watch your plate around people. At this time, yeah. The person that you're meant to be with is not who you expect. Could be something different than what you're used to. Be open to it. Yep, somebody fumbled a goddess. You're handling your business. Have fun. Let your hair down a little. Yep. Okay. And this is moving on. Okay. Sports. This video gonna be long. That's just that. Okay. We got sports and we got high school. In a few weeks, or it might be shorter than that. It could be in like 1 week. High school, childhood friends. That's confirmation for high school. Somebody could smoke weed. And then we got Bring It On. Now, Bring It On is a movie with the high school cheerleaders. Games in the gym, outside, like cheerleaders, events. Okay, it says just hold on and stay put. Help is on the way. So this is letting me know that there's going to be some help needed because somebody is planning to do something or they will. This will be premeditated. Fatalities. This has been happening a lot. It says get out the crowd if you scared. Okay, it says the rain. Super duper fly. Missy Elliott. Pay attention to the names, but I don't know. Maybe it could also mean it'll be raining on this day. Yeah, superhero energy. Shoot 'em up, bang. They're planning to shoot. Stress is a killer. Back in blood. Oh my goodness. A teenager. Friends. Friends. Something with some friends who all smoke weed. Smoking on purple. By Boosie and Webby. Smoking on purple. Ease my mind. It's that shit that we get high too. Mm. I'm trying to think of the end of the song with Webby. Hold on real quick. I don't know what time it is, but I know it's time to eat. Riding dirty, bumping, riding dirty. Know how that should be. One day you're here, and the next day you're gone on repeat with that 9 up in my reach. Cause right now dying ain't for me. Man, this pine got me sleepy, but I'm too high to go to sleep. Okay. I don't know if y'all caught on to that. Smoking. He even said could have slipped some crack on me. Like somebody could have laced the blunt with some shit. I don't know if that's relevant to this, but someone told me to listen to that. And then he says, what he say with that 9 up in my reach? He said with that 9 up in my reach, cause right now dying ain't for me. Mm, wow, they were never your friend. Damn. Oh. Missing person. New Hampshire. New Hampshire has been coming out a lot, so this could be in New Hampshire. It says we have a ghost. So somebody passed away. Or will. I don't. Or they did. Okay. We got Florida. Somebody's cray cray. They could have went to vacation. Went on vacation. Playing mental mind games. Mental abuse. They're ill and sick. Mentally. Maybe physically. Something's in the water. Yeah, something's in the water. They're breaking all the rules. They're delusional. They're stuck in their own illusion. Okay, this now look, leader and cycle breaker came out, and then it says you are powerful, you're a leader. But I think maybe this is just a actual leader or somebody with some type of authority, even if it's over a certain group. We got fitted caps, baseball caps. And that's confirmation that they're delusional, okay? They tried to create a false narrative and now they're trapped in this illusion. It's going down in the DMs at the studio this week. Partying like a rock star, a homeowner, okay? And Gangsta Party by Duke Deuce. It's a gangsta party, ho. Get the fuck out. Ain't no snitching on this side, you'll get stomped out. We got hella ammunition for the opposition. He says, I see red, 50 racks on your head. Could have put a tag on somebody's head. Okay, freeze, I got cameras all in the trees. And definitely being watched. He also said, left an M for each of my seeds. So we saw inheritance come out at the beginning too. So there's definitely something tied in here with somebody's inheritance. He says, left an M for each of my seeds. Something was passed down, and that's something that means it's major. Let me just put it like that. It's major. Whatever this is about this money. And now somebody's aware of this inheritance. So, okay. I actually am going to make another video and finish this. Okay. That's what I'm going to do. So I appreciate you. If you watch my video, holla at your girl.